How did Trump become president? Did he deserve it? Did he earn it? Will he be the next savior of the USA? That we don't know, but we do know the reason he was elected president. Marketing. Everyone knows marketing is important, but not everyone knows how truly important marketing really is. The difference between a president, made immortal through history, and a runner-up is marketing. The difference between the life of your dreams and 40 years in a cubicle is marketing. The difference between being known and being unknown, profit and bankruptcy, success and failure, is marketing. If you're this far, you understood how we hooked you with a polar topic, transitioned into our theme, and used visualization to cement the ideas we meant to convey. Marketing aside for a second, if you want to change your business and build your brand to an empire, take a look at what we can do. Beginners to experts, we're creating magic, one person at a time, with the one method that changed everything. Curiosity killed the cat, but it also made Pablo Escobar a billionaire. The question is how?